Hi everyone and welcome to the new video. Let's say you want to blink a light. What is the minimum amount of components you can use? Of course, you can use an Arduino or the Raspberry Pi and it will work, but you know every processor has millions of transistors, but what is the easiest way? How about this? Here I use only 4 components and it will work. In this short video I will show how to make a relaxation oscillator that works with a neon bulb, resistor and capacitor, and that's it. Let's get started. Before we will assemble the board, let's look at the schematic. As we can see, it's pretty simple, it's only 4 components. At the left of the schematic we have a grid voltage, which is in my case 230 volts. Then there's a diode that converts AC to DC, and then we have a 2 mega ohms resistor, a capacitor and a neon light bulb, and that's it. So how does it work? The capacitor is slowly charging through the resistor, and when the voltage is enough for the neon lamp, it's about 100 volts maybe, it makes a flash, capacitor is discharging and the process repeats itself. So it is easy. And now let's make the board. I will start with a diode. Diode converts AC to DC. Technically we can use any diode that can handle the grid voltage. Be careful, there is a high voltage here. Then I am adding the resistor. In my case, resistor between 1 and 2 mega ohms works well, but it may depend on your light bulb, so you can change it a bit if you want. The bigger the resistor, the larger the period, so you can find which one is better. And as the last step, I am installing the capacitor and the neon light bulb. Be careful, the electrolytic capacitor has a plus and a minus, and the minus in this schematic should be at the bottom. And that is it, let's see how it works. This schematic works from the grid voltage, so be careful, it is a high voltage here. As we can see, it works. I will add 2 more lights and I will wait until the evening so it will be better visible. And this is the first test. As we can see, the board works and we can see the light bulb blinking. Let's now connect the oscilloscope and see the voltages. As we can see, first the voltage is rising and going up. Then the light bulb is flashing and discharging the capacitor and the process repeats itself. Attentive viewers can see a hardware glitch on this board. The right light bulb is not flashing. Can we fix it? Indeed we can. These 3 neon bulbs are from different manufacturers. At the end of the discharge, the neon light bulb should be turned off, then the process can be repeated. For this neon bulb, this resistor is just not big enough, so it does not turn off. The fix is easy, I can increase the resistance. I don't have the bigger resistor, so I put 2 resistors in series and now it works perfect. And that's it for this video, thanks for watching, I hope you learned something new. Press like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Also feel free to visit my Patreon page, this support helps me to buy stuff like this. And you will also get an early access to new videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.